Hello YouTube fans, it's your boy Brad here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to use an oscilloscope to measure 110 volts at your home or whatever. Now there's plenty videos on this ZT-702S. Mine says B side up here at the top. This is actually made by Zotac, or you will also see the name Zoe, Z-O-Y-I. You'll also see that name, but as a lot of Chinese products, they get rebadged, renamed, so mine says beside. Now, when this originally came out, it was probably around $100. Now you can almost get this particular oscilloscope for about $45, which is a great deal. It's not only an oscilloscope, but it also does all of the other multi functions that you would do with a voltmeter, amps, and all this other stuff. So, but my purpose here today, because I could not find a video online showing how to use this to measure voltage. Even though there's tons of videos out there, there's a lot of guys that get these for free from the company, and they have all of their big oscilloscopes and their big equipment, and they're just matching up to see how it performs beside high-level professional equipment, but no one would actually show how to actually use this to measure 110 volts coming out of your wall. Now, let me say this, be careful. I am not an electrician, so don't shock yourself, but I'm going to show you how. I had a friend of mine that come over, and he works in electronics, so he showed me how to use this. So let me get this set up first. We're just going to take the probe out of the box, out of the little bag here. It connects here at the top. I won't go through all that. There's a whole bunch of other videos online, but I just want to show how to use it to measure voltage. Lock that in. You have these two pieces. One's ground. This is ground. This is your live side. Let me bring in, slide that out the way just a little bit. This is a power strip. It is on at the moment, and want to show you kind of how this really works. On your power strip, just like your outlets at home, you have the large slot, the small slot, you know, and the guy going, ooh, I'm going to shock you, right? So here's your live. These are your grounds. I'm not going to be able to really explain, but one's a neutral ground and the other one's ground, but they're basically tied together. My understanding. Okay, I'm not a professional, but these are tied together in a manner of speaking, and this is your live side. You can also measure that with your voltmeter. If you put a voltmeter and you put the red one here and you put the black one here, it's going to show that you have this hooked up the right way. So the first thing I'm going to show you, there's two ways of doing this. The first way is a little dangerous, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two nails so that I will have something to hook to, okay? Notice this is off. It's not on. It's off. I'm going to stick those in there. Turn my oscilloscope on, my multimeter oscilloscope. It automatically goes to the oscilloscope. I'm going to hook this on this nail on the live side, and then I'm going to hook the ground on this side. I'm going to turn my switch on here, and you see we have on the oscilloscope a nice sine wave here. Let me try to get it to come down a little bit. And so, okay, another way of doing this hookup. So I'm going to turn this off. Take these off. on this end of the probe, there's a little, if you pull this, you get a little probe tip. Now, I'm going to take these, I'm going to stick the tip of this in here, like that, right in the end. So there's a little cross inside there, and I stuck the tip in there. We're going to take the negative, and we're going to stick it somehow he just stuck it in there. I can't get it to stay in there. Let's try clipping it. There. Clipped it in. Now you have both of your probe pieces. I'm going to take these nails out. Remember, this is turn off. This is turn off. And now I can use the probe, these tips, to, let me see. Let's get it right here. Positive, negative. Uh-oh. Well, let me turn it on. And I could do this anywhere along this thing. So I'm gonna use two different slots here. And you see, I have the same readings on my oscilloscope. So that's another way to do it in case, like I said, you know, there were the nails. I'm just, you know, just a way to easily do it. Or you can do it this way. So this is probably the better way to do it. So just want to show you guys that really quick, guys. That's how you look to get to test voltage with your probe in, understanding that what these are. This is your hot side, this is your negative, this is your hot, this is your negatives, and that's how that works. So I hope that helps someone out, guys. Look, if you like what you see on this channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and you guys have a blessed day.